Hello everybody. With this I hope short video, I would like to share some experience that I gained in the last days about Zoom, PowerPoint, and an additional tool that can be used together with Zoom and PowerPoint in order to help our web lecturing. So before showing you the additional tool, I need to jump out of my virtual place, which is the Teatro Olimpico di Vicenza, the Olympic Theater of Vicenza, which is a very nice place. If you have the occasion of going to Vicenza, please visit it. It's very nice. So let me change here my virtual background. So I'm back in Austin now. So before going on, the tool I'm going to use here to help our web lecturing is a tablet that I'm sure many of you already know. They know it exists, but I don't know how many of you have seen in conjunction with Zoom and PowerPoint. And so this tablet is fairly old. It's a bamboo tablet from Wacom, or Wacom, I'm not sure about the pronunciation. It's a model from 2008. It works with USB and it connects straightforward to Windows 10 without the need of installing drivers. Nowadays, you can find very similar products, same company, Wacom, W-A-C-O-M, similar size, probably much better performance for $70. So it's quite cheap. So before going on with PowerPoint, I would like to explain the setup here. So I'm recording in Zoom from my perspective, which I'm the instructor, and then I'm also recording the screen of the computer of a student that I have here. The name of the student is Nicola. It's located in another room of my house here, and the student is following from there. So you will also have a video from the point of view of the student, and you can compare with what you see from here, which is the instructor point of view. In addition, I'm also going to record with this webcam, and this webcam will record the screen of my computer here and the tablet, which is located here on the right. So you will see how I interact with the tablet in order to change the slides in the PowerPoint. Okay, so let's start. So in Zoom, I share my screen. The tablet could be also used with the whiteboard of Zoom, which would be also nice. However, I want to show to my student a PowerPoint, and I want to be able to annotate the PowerPoint and eventually have the capability of having like a whiteboard or blackboard, like if I was in class. So I share the screen. I share screen number 1, and at this point I can show my presentation. I need to switch my 2 screens, and that's my presentation. So this is one of the presentation I gave in my course. It's about heat diffusion, and the first thing you can see is that typically you can go over with your mouse the slide. You can even choose the laser pointer in order to point at stuff. However, you can do exactly the same using the tablet, which I have here. Now, if you hover over the tablet, I'm sorry for the pronunciation. So if you move your pen, let's say this way, over your tablet without touching it, then you move the mouse. You have to stay, half centimeter roughly from the tablet, and the tablet recognizes the pen. Of course, this doesn't doesn't happen when you try to move a finger or another material on top of it. Yes, it must be the pen. So now if instead you touch with the pen, the tablet, then you're going to click. It's like to click with your mouse. So for example, I can move here and select the pen, and then I can annotate my PowerPoint here directly. Now, for example, I don't like this color, I want to change it. Well, I can erase what I just did. I can go here, change my color, and then re-annotate it, right? Oh, sorry, I pressed something. By pressing twice the pen, I took away the pen tool, and then I went back to the pointer. So if I click here, you know, I go on with my slides. Okay, so now let's go back here. I select my pen, and now the pen is red, and now I can highlight my 3 physical properties that I need to obtain thermal diffusivity. So here with students, I can say, you know, K, which is the thermal conductivity, divided CP, which is the heat capacity, sorry, multiply rho, which is the density of the material, it is equal to the diffusivity, thermal diffusivity. So I can write it here. And that's it. So it's kind of very nice. Another thing you can do in PowerPoint is to have a white or a black screen. I like a lot the black screen. I find it very nice. And here you can, for example, rewrite again your equation. dt it's a glitch. I'm sorry for this. So it looks like a problem of PowerPoint rather than a problem of the tablet, which is interesting. Okay, yeah, get that back there. Sorry, let's go back to the screen. Then the pen. There we go. Okay. Multiply diffusivity, everything multiply the divergence of temperature plus the source term. Of course, you can, other things you can do is, as I say before, you can, you know, you can erase, you can put the laser pointer in the slides. Now if I click this one and I go back, and then I go back to my tool, I can also highlight stuff with you know, with my pen, which I find pretty handy. So I hope this video might help somebody to have new ideas, or, you know, inspire somebody on how improve their web lecturing. Maybe this video was very trivial for somebody else. I just thought that in this situation we might want to help each other out to make a better job. So thank you very much, and ciao.